Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create an explainer video using the RendrFX platform. So the explainer video that I want to create is a how-to on creating a Facebook profile video from our Pokemon Go profile video template. And so I actually have, so what I've done is I've pre-recorded this screen recording, which I'll just scrub through really quickly. You'll see there's this Pokemon Go profile video, and then I just go through and edit it, add my profile image from Facebook, and create the video. All is good. But what I want to do is I want to wrap it up with some professional elements. So I've scrolled down to the explainer section on RendrFX here. And before I jump to these two, these are the ones that I want to use for this. I'll go ahead and show you. We have a couple different types of explainer videos. We have this modern blue explainer, this bold statement explainer, this trendy online marketing explainer. We also have this corporate presentation, so something a little more formal, and some more colorful type of explainers. I think that you're more accustomed to seeing out there. So plenty to choose from. So I'm going to jump back over here. And so with these two videos, the difference between these is one has an intro or an outro, whereas the other one only has an outro. So if I click onto this minimalist testimonial variable length with intro and outro, I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you see here there's this intro logo reveal with text, and then you have video playing in the background, and then it will go ahead and show an outro. So that's the intro and outro. But I actually want to use the one here that only has the outro because I want the users to just jump right into the content and start watching, but I want the branding too. So what I'd like to talk to you really quickly about is we have a select number of our templates have what we call a variable length feature. And what that means is the media placeholder can be any length of video. So whether it's a 5-second video or a 10-second video or a 15-second video, the template will automatically adjust the length of the overall video. So this way it'll come out whatever size you put it in, which is a good use case for this how-to video I want to create, because I already have this screen recording that's a minute long or a couple minutes long, and so I can just drop that in here. Let's see what else. So why don't I go ahead and just jump right into this and show you what that looks like. So I'm going to click on Start Creating the Video. Give it a name here, so we'll call it the Pokemon Go how-to video. How-to-explainer. That's a good name. Next, I'm going to change up some colors here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to this nice yellow color. There we go. That looks good. I'm going to copy that value because I'm going to color, also use the color here for the text. Apply that there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my video. So I'm going to click on Upload Video File and select, let's see, where is it? I think it's, here we go, Pokemon Go Screencast. I'm going to let that upload here. And I will say sometimes the upload speed can take a bit longer. Mine is blazing fast because I have blazing fast internet speed, which I love. But yours might be a little bit slower. That's okay. I do this from my home Wi-Fi all the time. It probably just takes like 10 seconds to upload bigger video files. I don't know, it could be longer, so that's my disclaimer. I'm going to go ahead and add the logo here. And let's see, I'm going to use our dark horizontal logo. Click on Do Not Crop. And this will close out itself, and then let that generate a preview. And that update in the bottom left corner. I don't really like the way that looks, so I'm actually going to go and put it's a little too small, so I'm going to use our icon, the bigger icon that we have here. Here we go, I have a square icon, so I'm going to use this one instead. So quickly just iterating, trying different logos, seeing what works, what looks good, let that update. That looks much better, so I'm going to stick with that. And I'm going to change the text here. I'm going to say how to create. Let's see if I have enough text here. Pokemon Go. Although, let's see. I don't know the shortcut for trademark. How does that work? I don't know. How if I just say, how about Facebook? That's another trademark. How about how to create? It will be okay. Facebook profile video. And we'll leave that in there as the text. And I think that should work, right? So how to create Facebook profile video. And I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to use the same colors that I used previously. So I'm going to change it to yellow, which I have that copied already. So paste that in there, change it. That looks good. I'm going to add the RendrFX logo, which happens to already be in there, but I'm going to add this one. Actually, you know what? I'll change it and make it this large icon. No, actually, I want it I want it to be the dark one. Indecision. Okay, let that upload, and it'll give me a quick update there. And there we go. Nothing changed because the template already had that logo in there. So I'm going to say thanks for watching. We'll add a little smiley face in there too, because we can. Okay, let that update. Looks good. I actually want to change this little dark line right here. I'm going to change it to be blue. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to change that up. And I'm going to click on next. And I'm not going to upload a soundtrack file to this. And the reason being is they've already recorded my voice in the screencast. And so we will play back whatever audio is included in this video file. So this video that I uploaded already has audio attached to it. And so I don't want to add another soundtrack file on top of that, because it might, get messy with lots of different audio going on. So just trying to keep it simple there. So this is a good place to point out, I guess, that audio is optional. You don't actually need to have audio in order to create a video. So I'm going to click on Create Preview Video, and that's going to be staging now for the render queue here. So that's it. It's kind of more of the same here, where it's going to pick it up, it's going to be in queue, it's going to go through, and it's going to email me when it's all done. I'm going to go ahead and use my boost actually for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and say use boost, and it's going to do its thing. And let's move on.